Hello, my name is Kane. Please welcome to Learning English with TSK. In this video series, we are going to focus mainly about the 12 basic English tenses. As you already know, all of the tenses, the 12 tenses, they come up with the two aspects. One is the structure, two is the usage. Okay. Being a long time experience in my teaching career, I have found out that most of English learners, they are worried too much about the tenses. That's why they cannot speak English with other people, because they are afraid of making mistakes. This is the reason why. Especially, they're really afraid of speaking English with the one who know much better than they do. But why worry? Why worry? Because no one is perfect. For example, if you stop 100 English native speakers in the street and ask them about the tenses, one of them might give you a very intelligent answer if you were lucky. But for the 99 other native English speakers, they would know little about the tenses, like present progressive, present perfect progressive, present continuous, and so on. And they would know nothing about the aspects, about the moods, and about the voice. But they can all speak fluent English and communicate effectively. Of course, for the ESL, it helps you learn the tenses, but do not be obsessed with the tenses. Be like a native speaker. Speak naturally. Are you ready? Okay, welcome back to the Learning English with TSK. So at the beginning of our tenses that I'm going to teach you today is the present simple tense. Inside the lesson, I'm going to show you exactly when do we use it, how do we use it, and mistakes to be careful of when you are using the tense. And we also go to lots of practice exercises together, and you will learn how to use it correctly and confidently. Are you ready? Let's get started. Now, today we focus on the present simple tense, but we do not go clearly exactly about the time, about when do we use it, how do we use it. Okay? But we are going to study about the form first. Now let's check it out together. Positive or affirmative? Positive or affirmative? Some of the people confused about, is it positive or affirmative? Some of the grammar book, it says affirmative. Some of the grammar book, it says positive. But we do not care about it too much, okay? So now, let's go to the form. We form positive or affirmative by using subject plus verb and plus object. Again, we form the positive or affirmative by using subject plus verb plus object. This is the normal form of positive. And now, actually, we have got 7 subjects altogether. But in this lesson, in this meantime, I'm going to use only 4 subjects. It's very easy for you to learn. And try to remember, the less you learn, the better you are. Do not learn it too much, okay? Learn it step by step, but full of quality. As you can see, I, we, you, and they. I don't use he, she, it right now. The subject I'm going to teach you now is only 4. It's very easy for you to understand. I, example, I play the guitar. Again, I play the guitar. So play is a verb. Guitar is the object. I is the subject. This is the very normal way of using positive. And we go to another one. We play the guitars. You play the guitars. They play the guitars. So now, you can make other sentences by yourself by following the rule of the positive sentence or affirmative sentence. Not only this point, but you can make it by yourself at home. You can practice by yourself at home, wherever you are, whenever you are. Okay? Not only follow my example, you can make this kind of tense by yourself by changing the word, by changing the object. Example, I eat chicken every day. I sing a song. I watch TV. They study English. Okay? So these all are the form of the positive sentence. This is the form of positive sentence. Very easy way to remember. Okay? So if you remember all the positive or affirmative sentence here, we just move on to negative. Inside the negative form, we make it by using subject plus do not plus verb plus object. Inside the subject, I normally raise only 4, the same like positive. Make you clear. Do not focus on he, she, or it. But now just focus only 4. I, we, you, and they. For example, I do not play the guitar. We do not play the guitars. You do not play the guitar. They do not play the guitars. This is the very simple way of making negative form. Everybody can make it by yourself. You can make thousands of sentences by yourself when you know the form. Please, students, do not feel hesitated to make up your own sentence. The sentence you make, do not worry about the mistake. Okay? Mistake can be corrected. So, I hope you will enjoy the lesson I'm going to teach today. And I hope that you will learn it by yourself at home at every time. So, that's all from me today. Thank you for watching. Thank you.